What's the meaning of celebrate? Celebrate. Celebrate.
Celebrate. Celebrate. The word celebrate means to acknowledge and show appreciation for an event, achievement, or occasion by engaging in activities such as parties, ceremonies, and other forms of jubilation. Celebrating often involves expressing joy, gratitude, and happiness through various means. It is a way to recognize the importance and significance of an event and also to share in the joy with others. When we celebrate, we create memories, strengthen bonds, and foster relationships. Celebrations can bring us together and remind us of our shared experiences, filling us with hope and a sense of community.